I'm Butnaru and welcome to Gil's Tire and Wheel Off-Road Edition. Here at Gil's Tire, we specialize in level kits, suspension lifts, fender flares, and side steps. We carry all off-road tires and wheels including RBP, fuel, ballistic, American Force, and many more. As you can see, we have a huge selection of off-road wheels, and they come in many colors like polish, chrome, black, and you can even do your own custom color. This is an RBP Repulsor MT in size 33, 1250, 22. It comes in many other sizes, so if you have any questions, call for more information. Income tax season is here, so come check out all of our specials as soon as possible. We are located at 6239 San Pedro at the Big Green Building, or you can call us at 210-733-0156. And as always, we finance with 6 months, same as cash. We also have a lease program with just $59 down to get you rolling. Hey guys, if you own a Toyota Tundra, come in and register for a chance to win these very fine wheels.